Your Acura's available interior accent lighting elevates the cabin ambiance, creating a more inviting space. The accents include light pipes, plus footwell and door handle lighting. You can easily customize the lighting brightness and theme to your liking. With the vehicle on or in accessory mode, select Settings from the infotainment home screen. Select Vehicle. Scroll down and select Lighting Setup. You can then change the brightness of the accent lighting as well as the accent lighting theme. Accent lighting brightness is linked to the ambient interior illumination by default, meaning that it will automatically adjust based on the set brightness of the rest of the interior lighting, such as the information cluster. You can also set it to your preferred level, selecting between max, high, mid, low, or off. What's more, the accent lighting theme can be changed based on your mood. The desired color can be set manually, or it can be configured to change based on the Integrated Dynamic System, or IDS, mode chosen. Note that the theme will only update automatically according to the IDS mode when Dynamic mode is selected under Accent Light Theme. When this setting is chosen, the theme adjusts based on the selected IDS mode. Each mode was specifically crafted for different driving styles. There's Comfort mode, featuring a calming blue accent color. Normal mode, which uses an elegant white accent color. Sport mode, providing a sporty red accent color. And Individual mode, for which the color can be assigned by pressing and holding the button in the center of the Drive mode dial, selecting Lighting, and then picking from the 3 available color options. If you have another color selected in the Accent Light Theme menu, the theme will not change when you toggle between IDS modes. There are even selectable themes based on real-life destinations, including driving roads, famous locations, and iconic racetracks.